Hello students, how are you all? Today we shall proceed to chapter number 11, Understanding Shapes. Let's discuss some of the problems related to polygons. First of all, we have given to find the measure x in each of the following rough sketch. First of all, we have given the values x to be d to be x, c to be 70, b to be 60 and exterior angle of a to be 90. And we know about the linear pair angle 1 plus angle 90 is equals to 180 degree, because being the linear pair sum of angles is equal to 180 degree. So I am getting angle 1 is equals to 180 degrees minus 90 means 90 degrees. Now, in quadrilateral ABCD, by the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, we know that sum of all interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So we substitute the values of the angles, angle A to be angle 1, B to be 60, C to be 70, D to be x equals to 360 degree. And angle 1 was observed to be 90 and 60 plus 70 is 130 plus x is 360 degree. So by calculating, we get the value of x is equals to 140 degrees. Right? So another, again to find the value of x, and first of all we would like to evaluate or find the value of angle A1 and angle 2, means interior angle of angle C and angle D. Again proceeding in the same manner, we know linear pair is 180 degree, so angle 1 plus 70 degrees will be 180 degrees. So angle 1 will be 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. In similar manner, angle 2 plus 60 will be 180 degrees. Angle 2 will be 180 by 60 means 120 degrees. Right. Now, this is a polygon having 5 sides. First side, second side, third side, fourth side, fifth side. And we have a formula that sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. As the given polynomial is of 5 sides, and also we know that polygon is known as a pentagon, so I am substituting the value of n as 5. So I am getting 5 minus 2 into 180 degrees, 3 into 180 degrees, 18 into 3, 540 degrees. Now we are getting the result that sum of all interior angles of the given polygon is 540 degrees. So we are writing angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equals to 540 degrees. Now substituting all the values, and I substituted angle A to be 30 degrees, angle B to be x, angle C to be angle 1, D to be angle 2, E to be angle x, because these values were given to us in the given figure. And angle 1 and angle 2, we observed them to be 110 and 120. We substituted all the values and get the result for x. So we are getting x is equals to 140 degrees. Right? Next question. Find 4 angles of the quadrilateral if the angles are in ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4 ratio or 6. And students, we generally take the angles or the numbers if they are given in ratio, like having x with them. As the angles are given to be in ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4 ratio 6, so we will take the angles as, consider the angles as 2x, 3x, 4x and 6x. Here I have written given ratio of angles of quadrilateral is 2:3:4:6. Let the angles of quadrilateral be 2x, 3x, 4x and 6x. By angle sum property of the quadrilateral, adding all these angles, we get result to be equal to 360 degree. So 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 15x is equal to 360 degrees. X to be 360 by 15 means 24 degrees. So required angles of quadrilateral are 2 into 24, 3 into 24, 4 into 24, 6 into 24 means resubstituting the values of x which we obtain to be 24 degrees. Thus, we get the measure of all angles of the quadrilaterals are 48 degrees, 72 degrees, 96 degrees and 144 degrees. Clear? So, if we assign a question, if the angles of a quadrilateral are in ratio 5:7:11:13, then find the angles. Students, kindly try this yourself. Fine. I hope today's lecture will be clear to you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.